Hello, Lower Elementary. My name is Ms. Nunez, and today we are going to be learning about the properties of solids, liquids, and gases. So, what is a property? Well, a property tells us how something looks, for example, the shape or size, how something smells, how something feels, for example, the texture, or how something tastes. All right, so let's go over some properties of a solid, a liquid, and a gas. So, some properties of a solid. A solid has a definite shape and size. Liquids have a definite volume and they take the place of a container. And a gas does not have a definite volume. So what I did today is I went around my room and I found examples of a solid, a liquid, and a gas. So for my example of a solid, I found a cube. Here, let's put it right here. I found a cube. Show you the cube right here. For my example of a liquid, I found a water bottle. So, water. And for my example of a gas, I am using the air in this room for my example of gas. So, air. All right, now let's try to describe the properties of these three things that I found. All right, so for example, this cube is a solid, right? What makes this cube a solid? Well, this cube has a shape, the shape of a cube. It also has a color, so it's blue. What else? Feels hard. So I can write hard. Now let's go to water. Water, some properties of this water bottle are that it's clear. Also, it's taking the shape of this water bottle. So it takes shape. Takes shape of the bottle. And if I were to pour it onto a different container, it would start taking the shape of this container. Now, if I were to touch this water, it feels wet. So I can write that it's wet. Now for the air in this room. The air in this room, I can't see it, so I'm going to say it's transparent. And to me, it doesn't have a smell. But there are gases that do have a smell. In this case, this one doesn't. Alrighty, so those are some properties that I was able to use to describe these three objects: water, cube, and air. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go around your house and you're going to find an example of a solid, an example of a liquid, and an example of a gas. And you're going to create a chart like this one, and you're going to write down the properties of the solid you find, the properties of the liquid you find, and the properties of the gas. All right? After you do that, you're going to go to your assignment and submit a video recording of you showing us this chart. Alrighty, see you later.